So until a moment ago I couldn't turn these little caster wheels. I actually had to file down these bolts here on this little dolly that goes under a scissor lift for a motorcycle. I had to file them down just so I could turn the caster wheels. Isn't that crazy? Anyway, it works now. All of them work now. Alright. So I don't have much room here, and I decided that I would use this dolly in combination with a scissor lift so that I could move this around easily, this ultrasonic cleaner. And with a wrench or something, I'll get a motor for this, I can make it go up and down. This thing can lift something like 1,000 pounds, so 45 pounds without water and maybe 100 pounds with water. I don't know, maybe that'll be as much as it'll have to hold. It's not too hard to lift this. So if I had a motor attached, something as powerful as an actual drill with a 21 millimeter wrench bit, socket wrench bit there, it would work very well. So I'm wondering what I can do at this point if I have to buy a wrench to take it apart. A socket wrench, excuse me, not a wrench, but a drill. I can take a drill apart and use the motor, and so that way I'd have something that works very well to lift the ultrasonic cleaner off the floor. So that's pretty cool. I haven't actually used it yet. Anyway, I'm still trying to figure out this setup that I've got. So I have this ultrasonic cleaner and I have other tools to teach myself how to work with electronics.